Hey guys, John here from Pit Bros. I'm down here at FX Buckley in Barnhill with Jar. Jar is the butcher, I'm the chef. He's going to teach me some stuff later. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show him how to make a herb brush, and he's going to grill off the meat. Tell me a little bit about this beef, because it looks amazing.
So this is a 28-day dry-aged ribeye steak. It's absolutely beautiful. Lovely marbling, nice bit of fat going through it, keep it nice and juicy, nice and tasty. Perfect for the barbecue.
Delicious. Like it's pretty cold out here, but we got the barbecue lit, so it's nice and toasty.
I feel like cook myself.
In Barnhill. It's lovely. So look, I'm going to pass this over to you, right?
Yeah.
You hold this, you can stick that in between,
That's
right?
it.
Just stick it in there, and this is the hairbrush, right?
Yeah.
I know a lot of people laugh at the hairbrush, but look, the hairbrush is key. When you get a good piece of beef, you want to keep it moist, and what we have here, what butter was this? Because this is in
That was our gourmet butter.
Yeah.
That we sell in stores, the Gourmet Butter Company.
Yeah.
That's the bistro butter.
Lost in the Hairden Awards
Yeah.
as well. Yeah. Wow. It's because that smells amazing. Like that on a steak is going to be
nice.
amazing. This is going to be like our breakfast out here, you know. So now what you need to do is tie it up. There you go. So hold that there now. And tie it all the way around there and hold the rosemary on that stick. Nice and tight now. No weak. Tight. That's it. Yeah. Perfect.
Yeah.
Lovely. Tighter. Yeah. And now just tie it on there to this.
Yeah, do you want to cut the end of that?
Yeah. I'll cut that there for you. Perfect. And you just tie it up. And that hairbrush now, so when he has the hairbrush, he's going to pop it into the butter. And as we're cooking it, then we're going to baste the meat with it. So what we're going to do is we're going to pour a little bit of this on top of the meat. Just like that. Turn it. Give it a good old coating, you know. It's all about that flavor. That butter smells amazing. And now, Jar is the chef.
Oh,
That's
soften
amazing.
rolls.
Look, perfect hairbrush. We put that in there, just like that, and he can baste it with that, just straight onto the hot part of the grill. Lovely. And throw that under there. With the grill that we have here, what I done was, the key thing, I guess, like, Jar knows all about the meat, and I do all the barbecue and the cooking. But half the grill is going to be really hot, and half the grill has no charcoal. So literally, I can hold my hand here, there is no heat, and here, the heat is, it's going to be hot. So we're going to sear the steak off on this side. If it starts to flare up, relax. We can move it to the cool side, and then let it finish off over there. And as it's cooking, we're going to give it a little baste. So, yeah.
Can't wait.
What's one of your favorite cuts of meat?
Probably a flat iron steak.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's
What
kind of unusual to get. It's hard to find,
Lovely.
but it's the flavour in it is unreal.
What would you serve that with?
Generally, I just classic, just
Yeah.
salt, pepper, then bit of pepper sauce on it,
Awesome.
load of chips.
Can you tell me one of the reasons why you became a butcher?
It's kind of one of them jobs I just fell into,
Yeah.
and I fell in love with it straight away. Like so, 13 years ago, I was working in the shop, asked for a different role, and got shown a meat count and got stuck into it.
Awesome.
13 years later, can't get out of it.
And what's your favorite cut of meat to debone or butcher?
To be honest with you, the forecut of beef is so intricate, so
Yeah.
many different parts, like that. You look at it, it's hard to tell, but when you get into it, it's like a maze.
Amazing.
And it's not a different type of way, you know, everything's different. There's millions of different ways of doing everything, so
Yeah.
every butcher will show you something different.
And you got a whole lamb we'll do later.
Yeah, we'll play through a lamb later on, show you how to do that.
I want to get my butcher skill a little bit up. I've been traveling around meeting loads of butchers, and I actually miss the art of butchery. Like it's unique. It's nice. Like you start early in the morning, you debone a whole animal. The smell of a dry aging room.
Yeah, it's definitely something different. It's not for everyone, but once you get into it, it's really interesting. Like,
Yeah. And like if I see there's a lot of young people working with you. Anything that you would tell young people that's coming into the trade? Any tips?
just be willing to learn. There's a lot to take in, like between everything.
Yeah, you can turn there now. Nice.
Sorry.
Look at that. Come have a look. Beautiful look. And now what you need to do, give it a little baste. Shake it so not a lot of butter goes on there. That's it. Look at that. Jar is now the chef.
It smells too nice.
And now if you can move it just in here. There you go.
You can put it over.
Yeah, perfect. And leave it there now, and that's it. We'll give it a little baste. Look at the shine on top. Like, if you could smell that now, it's going to be amazing. Like, wow.
It smells too good.
That's the whole thing. Like, I guess that's the connection where I kind of want is being here today on a Saturday morning, cooking with you. It's like it's pretty cool. Like, you're the butcher, I'm the chef.
It's different. Like I to be honest with you,
Together.
like there's not many shops that I've done this with. Like it's different. Like clientele here. It's really good. We're local.
Yeah.
You get to know everyone. Everyone has funny stories to share.
Yeah, and customers coming in here. it's really good. But like throughout your career now, what memory would you have? What's the first thing like that you would have butchered or?
The first thing I actually wrote down was a full ham of beef. Like was stuff for staff to do, and I'd never done it before. The closest thing was a leg of lamb. That's only a bigger version of leg of lamb. So they charge hand let me do, and I didn't make too much of a mess of it. Now, thank God, they let me do it again. But like, it's all every way you do it's different. It's all. Like,
it's great. Tell me a little bit about like we'll show everyone on the video as well later, and we'll do another snippet. But tell me a little bit about the meat that comes in here, like, because this shop looks unbelievable. Yeah,
like so we source it from. Sorry, I'm forgetting my job role now. Slacking. So all our beef is we dry age all our beef, which is nice. It's all on the bone as well. We get all the T-bones, rib on the bone, cowboys.
Yeah.
And then we get a whole lamb from Wexford.
Yeah.
And then Salters does our pork. Thomas Salters out in Carlow.
Yeah.
It's all free range pork, which is good. You really do taste the difference.
Yeah.
So,
we might do some pork chops later.
Yeah. Why not?
Just a little taster. So here we're just gonna put a bit of the butter on there. Like that butter smells amazing.
Yeah, it's lovely.
It's like it really is amazing. And then if you get the steak, how do you like your meat cooked?
Rare.
Rare, lovely.
Medium rare, maximum. Has to be bleeding the gravy.
Lovely. Toss that in there. Give it a little turn.
Sorry, flicked on you.
No worries.
Please forgive me.
Look at that. That's Ger's steak right there. Now you can hold that, and I'm going to get some of the rub, and I'm going to show you one more thing. One second.
Let's say it's lovely warm here.
We put some of the charred rub on top. Just a little sprinkle. And now I'm going to get my knife. So 1 second, we're going to cut this up.
Just going to hold it.
Actually, you will do the honors.
I'll do the honors.
You will do the honors. There we go. So we leave it rest just a little bit.
Leave it a few minutes.
There we go. You can slice into that there now using my knife. Look at that. That's it. Come right in. Jar the chef. It's beautiful. Look at that.
You just put this on to marinate it, or
no? You can put it on after. You can put that with everything. Nice steak. Pour it on afterwards. You can put it with some eggs on top of the pizza. You can put it with everything.
Lovely.
What cut of beef is that?
That's the ribeye steak. I'm telling you, I recommend it.
There you go. The honours has to go to himself.
of course.
The butcher, you know. How is it?
Deadly.
Yeah.
Would you like a bit?
Wow.
Please.
Wow. This is the best way to spend the Saturday, isn't
Yeah.
it?
Can't remember the last Saturday morning I had a good like this.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
So how do you cook it? You cooked it on the
On top of the barbecue there. Well, Ger, you